So we wanted to make a video on how we chose our vlogging camera. So we went to the store and we spent, I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours, and there was a very nice guy consulting us about the cameras. He really knew his business, and we also did some research on the internet which camera to get, like mirror camera, like as DSLR or mirrorless camera, a system camera, I don't know, I also have the German words in my head. System camera, this camera, that camera, digital camera, then 4K footage, do we want that, like all these things to consider on for beginners also, which camera to buy. So in the end there's this camera from Sony, just the vlogging camera, like especially because we barely make pictures, like the pictures the iPhone makes is like good enough, and we use the camera only for video purposes. So that was our criteria on how to buy the camera.
So now we decided to buy this camera, Sony ZV-E10, and we took it, we went to the counter, and then there they said that that's the showpiece camera, and other than that camera we are out of stock, so we couldn't buy it. Now we have to order it online.
We unpack the camera. There it is, a big carton for a small packet. So that's the wrong side. Left is my chocolate side. Oh, there you see it. It's with the lens and the microphone, and it's a flippable screen. Ooh, look, it opens like this. Changeable lens, there's me. So you can change the lens. Of course, like these booklets, whoever reads them, like, really, it's like, there it is. There she is. It's she? Or he?
He, of course.
No, she. It's not sealed or anything. Oh, here's this thing. To remove from the lens once you're not using it anymore. There it is. Cables. Cables. The muff. The wind muff. Wind muff is included. This is a battery or something? No, this is a battery. But where's the microphone? The microphone is the whole muff?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, and straps. That's a good thing. The muff? See, it's like sitting on the camera. How do they do that? Oh, like this. Yeah, that way.
So there are many things in this camera which make this camera best for vlogging, like this windproof muff which remove the wind noise. Then there is this flippable screen which you move any way you want, and then this camera is very light. Its weight only 300 grams. Okay guys, so overall this camera is very nice. It's light in weight, and it's very small in size, and quality is also very good. Right now I'm in Prague and I have used this camera throughout the day. It's very good. And our, like, this channel is not a review channel, so I'm not covering all the aspects, like technical aspects and everything, but looking at everything and starting into vlogging, so this camera is perfect and I liked it. So I'm just sharing that I bought this camera from Germany. The price was also nice, like it was 840 euros for this camera. We went to the market, we didn't find it there, we bought it on Amazon. So yeah, that's all for now. If you like the videos, then don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.